Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out which software is using the maximum amount of RAM in any Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl Shift and Escape. Now the task manager program will get open. Now on the above you can see here processes, just click on it and now you'll see all the programs or softwares that are being running right now. And now you will see here memory, just click on it. Now you will see here the software which is using the maximum amount of RAM on the top list, and below you can see the second top list and the third top list, and serially you can see here from the maximum amount of RAM users to the least amount of RAM users. So by using this task manager you can easily find out which software is using the maximum amount of RAM in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.